Hello, my name is Derek Cross. I am a student at Colorado State University Global Campus within the PJM 525 Business Analysis course under the instruction of Dr. Janie Master. This presentation is a discussion of defining a business case from a business problem. We will begin with a brief introduction to what a business case is and how it differs from a business problem. We will then discuss how a business case is used and analyze its core components. We will then discuss additional considerations needed for Agile or Scrum projects, and finally draw some last conclusions about utilizing a business case. A business case is a formal document used to address a specific project or problem within a business. It is used to present evidence and data that supports whether to pursue a project or not, or if a change from current behaviors is required. It also makes a clear call to action and provides a specific recommendation for how the business should move forward based on the presented evidence and data. A business case creates justification for executing a project or change process and ensures that projects that are approved to move forward align with the strategic goals of the organization. First, let's discuss how a business problem differs from a business case. A business problem can be described as a challenge, issue, or obstacle that is negatively affecting an organization's ability to achieve its goals or operate effectively. Common sources of business problems include operational inefficiencies, regulatory compliance, and customer satisfaction. Pressman and Blau write that the main ingredient leading to the successful outcome for most inventions consists of recognizing and defining the problem that needs to be solved. A business case is a document used in the business analysis process for a single project that addresses a business problem or opportunity. It is a formal presentation of research and findings that proposes a specific course of action, and Paul and Cadle describe it as a sales document aimed at getting people to make a decision. It creates an aligned understanding of the size of the opportunity or project and its associated benefits, costs, and risks. Let's define a business case, its structure, and its use. As stated, a business case is used to make a decision on pursuing a project or not. It includes an assessment of associated benefits, costs, and risks. A business case is typically structured beginning with an executive summary so it can be digested quickly. The document then details the specific project opportunity or problem to be solved. It discusses the options that were considered to resolve the problem, then identifies the proposed solution. The document then provides the associated benefits, costs, and risks associated with the proposed solution and recommends a course of action to be taken. A business case does not need to be considered a static document and should be updated when there are significant changes to the scope, schedule, or budget, or in the case of obtaining new information that would affect the decision-making process. Let's discuss some additional considerations for Agile and Scrum projects. In a business case for an Agile project, the time horizon must be shorter to accommodate the fast-changing environment. The budget should be divided by project phase for clarity. For similar reasons, the risks of the project should be identified within the phase they would be expected to occur. Finally, an Agile project should be focused on delivering a fast ROI at the expense of delivering all of the features originally planned. Wright argues that Agile projects need to prioritize quick decisions and getting started on product development rather than documentation delivery. In a business case for a Scrum project, the product backlog should capture all user stories as well as all risks and assumptions. Sprint planning should identify exactly which user stories will be completed in each sprint. Additionally, a review and retrospective should be completed at the end of each sprint to review accomplishments and lessons learned during each sprint to capture that knowledge and apply it to future efforts. In conclusion, business cases are developed to address specific business problems or project opportunities within an organization. A business case document is a formal presentation of evidence-based research and data, and Marshall writes that when presenting a business case, this supporting data is the most important component. The more evidence you have that things need to be done differently, the more receptive your audience will be. It creates a clear call for a specific course of action and a recommendation for how the business should move forward into the future. The cited references will follow shortly. Thank you for listening and have a great day.